The Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, has suspended the trading of shares of two listed companies after failing to file their audited financial statements for 2023. They are Equity Line Mortgage Investment Corporation's preferred shares listed on the JSE main market, and junior market firm Edufocal Limited, which trades as Learn. Effective Tuesday, June 4, trading in the shares of both companies have been suspended. The Canadian stock market is now open to Jamaicans who can open a trading account from their broker in Jamaica and earn passive income in the form of Canadian dollars dividends sent to their account. Denise Williams sat down with Dr. Marlene Street Forest, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, to learn more.
So a little birdie says that you can invest in Canada. You're not limited to this jurisdiction. We wanted to find out more, so we'll go into the source. So, Doc, is that birdie correct? Is there an opportunity to invest in a stock market outside of Jamaica?
Definitely. The Jamaica Central Securities Depository has a portal called a Direct Market Access. And what it does, it allows brokers to offer securities that are on other markets to their clients. As you have indicated, currently it is Canada. So we are able to connect with the Canadian stock exchanges, and investors are able to say to their brokers, this is what I want to invest in. Those are securities, though, that are traded on exchanges in Canada for now.
Is it possible then for me to get passive income in terms of dividends from Canada while being here?
Most definitely. It operates just like Jamaica Stock Exchange. So if you have invested in a company that is listed on a Canadian stock exchange, CSE or Toronto Stock Exchange, etc., you're able, when that company offers dividend, you're able to get that dividend repatriated to Jamaica in terms of whatever is the value of that investment.
All right, so it is possible,
yes,
that at the same broker, I could have a Jamaican dollar Jamaica Stock Exchange account,
yes,
a Canadian dollar direct market access account. That's possible.
That is possible.
Today, right now.
Right as we speak.
So this is not something that's soon to come.
No. It is right here. So you are able to diversify your investment,
yes,
into Jamaican dollar investments, investment in other jurisdictions.
Absolutely fantastic. So there you have it. Another way to earn some passive income in a different currency, regulated, properly transparent through the Jamaica Central Security Depository, which is a subsidiary of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. During trading for the period June 5, 2024, the following companies represent the top most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The Limners and Bards Limited, with 4,300,659 units, amounting to 23.39% of the market volume in terms of sales for the day. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, with 3,432,813 units, amounted to 18.67% of the market volume of sales for the day. Future Energy Source Company Limited ordinary shares, with 1,924,178 units, amounted to 10.47% of the market value in terms of sales for the day. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 5, 2024, registered a volume of 82,230 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 2,125,118 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 39 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 23,491 shares changing hands for a value of $94,733 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 82 cents, followed by Republic Financial Holdings Limited with a volume of 13,919 shares being traded for $1,590,893 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 29 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 5, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $63.2 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $72.6 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.36 and bought the US dollar for $155. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.36, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.47 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $116.01 and bought for $113.54. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.03, selling it for $198.42 and buying it for $192.39. For the credit report tip of the day, let us continue to look at the powerful technique of credit stacking. And credit stacking involves applying for multiple lines of credit within a short period to maximize your available credit. That said, you must manage your credit wisely. Monitor your credit regularly. Keep an eye on your credit report and your credit score. Stay disciplined, use your credit responsibly, and avoid unnecessary debt. Pay on time. This cannot be stressed enough. Timely payments are crucial. Join us tomorrow for more credit stacking techniques. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.